Looking for a dessert that is delicious and crowd-pleasing that you can make in your own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Acai Cooks, we have a great dessert recipe for you with chocolate blueberry acai cheesecake. So let's get started. First up, let's make the crust. Set your timer for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes to prepare the crust. Now let's make the cheesecake filling. All the ingredients for the cheesecake filling should be at room temperature. Using dark chocolate is always best. Set your timer for 50 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Blueberries have been part of North American life for over 10,000 years. Native American tribes across the continental North America harvested wild blueberries for food and for medicine. High-bush blueberries were first successfully cultivated in the early 1900s in New Jersey by USDA botanist Frederick Vernon Colville and farmer Elizabeth Coleman White. blueberries continue to be harvested in managed native stands, particularly in Canada and northeastern United States. They're also popular in muffins as well as other baked goods. Looks great right out of the oven. Time to make the blueberry acai chocolate ganache. Let's build the cheesecake. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. This dessert is a perfect blend of creamy cheesecake filling, rich dark chocolate, blueberry, and acai puree for a stunning dessert everybody will enjoy. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a dessert you'll be proud to make and serve. Stay with us, watch the next videos.